So I'm here at Old Boys Rugby Club, which is Mayfield Park. I'm just here to photograph and video Tony Mann, who's doing a charity walk. And Tony's going to tell us a little bit about it. So Tony, can you tell me what you're getting up to then? What's going on here?
Well, we're going to do a charity lap every day around Mayfield Park. It was basically, I haven't had two really rough years with ill health. 2 years ago I was actually training one Sunday morning. I collapsed, suffered something called total heart block. But the first aiders and the medical team sorted me out here. Went over to North Tees, had a pacemaker fitted. Started to get well again, and then last April suffered something total kidney failure, which now means I'm on dialysis 3 days a week because my kidneys aren't functioning properly.
Which can't be pleasant for you.
Well, I'm still going to be healthy and mobile, but in some respect this is a milestone for me because I'm now up, mobile, so the lap a day, it's not going to kill us, but it's like baby steps on the return to fitness.
And what are you raising the money for?
It's going to be to keep rugby free for the juniors, so it'll go towards the training equipment, expenses for away matches and away tours.
Can you tell me how much money you're hoping to raise?
Hoping to raise around about £500, which will be split between the junior section and Hartlepool Ambulance Charity.
And how can people pay the money to you?
There's a GoFundMe page. You go onto the GoFundMe website, and then the Lap a Day Challenge. If you can't find that there, if you drop onto my Facebook page, there's a link on my page there to take you.
Okay, I'll put a link on as well underneath. Okay. Right, yeah. Let's get on with it. Well, I've ended up doing a lap with him as well, so I think you should donate a quid or two, or as much as you can, to Tony's fundraiser. Right, that's my lot. I'm getting back in my warm car.
Yeah.
Leave Tony to it. And off he goes.